Welcome to World of Kinyo. We are in the island of style in Cape Verde and staying at the hotel RIU Cabo Verde. The RIU Cabo Verde shares its facilities with the hotel RIU Funana. Today we're going to share everything that you need to know if you're going to go to the water park, which is called the Splash World. Splash Water World is the water park experience for guests of the RIU Funana, RIU Cabo Verde, and RIU Palace Santa Maria in South Cape Verde. This exciting park is conveniently located on the edge of the RIU Palace Santa Maria, making it just a short walk from the RIU Funana and RIU Cabo Verde, with Funana being the closest. The best part? Entry is completely free for guests of these hotels, meaning you can enjoy the park as often as you like during your stay. Whether you're here for the heart-pounding thrills or a fun family day out, this is a must-visit attraction in Cape Verde. Splashwater World is open daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., giving you plenty of time to slide, splash, and soak up the sun. Now let's talk thrills. This water park is packed with 6 exciting rides, perfect for adrenaline junkies but not allowed to children under 12 years old, pregnant women, or anyone with cardiovascular issues. And watch out for the hot floor. The Cape Verde sun makes the ground scorching, so bring flip-flops or water shoes to avoid burning your feet. Heads up, to reach these thrilling rides, you'll need to climb a steep set of stairs to the top of a spacious tower where the slides begin. Now to the rides. Torbellino is a wild ride that spins you into a giant basin before a dramatic drop. Aquatubos is the twisting enclosed tunnel that keeps you guessing until the very end. Toboggan is a swirling ride that sends you zooming down in high-speed spirals. And Aqua Racer, where you can challenge your friends on these 4 side-by-side racing slides. Thirsty? Head to the café area where you can enjoy all-you-can-drink refreshments throughout the day. Plus, with convenient on-site restrooms, you have everything you need for a stress-free day of fun. After all that excitement, kick back into a relaxation zone where sunbeds and shaded areas provide a perfect place to recharge and soak up the island vibes. Not into high-speed slides? No worries. Splashwater World features a dedicated area for younger guests, with smaller slides and splash zones, so the whole family can enjoy a safe, exciting water adventure. Whether you're racing down the slides, chilling in the lounge areas, or making a splash with the family, Splashwater World is a perfect spot to cool off and have fun in Cape Verde. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and you also want to know more about the RIU Cabo Verde and the RIU Funana, please check the other videos on my channel.